How to apply for a Chase Freedom credit card. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily apply for a Chase Freedom credit card. So first thing, just head over to your chase.com from any of your website or browser, and once you're inside here, first make sure to sign into your account, or you can also actually use the application version of this Chase. And once inside here, just locate the credit card section, so simply tap on that, which will take you to the all the credit card sections over here. So you just have to scroll down and choose the option that is Chase Freedom Unlimited Credit Card. You can just tap on this apply now button over here. So you can actually earn a $200 bonus and on unlimited 1.5% cashback or more on all purchases with no annual fee if you are using Chase Freedom Unlimited card. So to apply, you can just tap on this apply button over here, and you just have to wait for a few seconds. And from over here, you just have to provide your all of the login credentials or your personal info such as your first name, last name, middle name, etc., and your identification such as date of birth, your tax ID, that is social security number, as well as your home address and your contact info. And once you follow all of the instructions over here, you may as well need to provide your financial info as well. And finally, just agree to the terms and condition over here and just click on submit. And once they verify your application, your account or your Chase Freedom credit card should be successfully activated. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.